welcome back to StudyNest. So today I'm going to show you how I made this really cool pencil box, I should say. So first I took a cartoon box and then I just covered it with paper, as you can see. Then I put some stuff here. Then I had this extra box sort of cartoon and then I did this. So here what I did was I stuck some paper on this and then I took some cardboard, rolled it and then stuck it to make a pen holder. I put my whitener here and my highlighters, erasable highlighters here. Now since I have a pen pencil, it is necessary that I have its lid, so I have it here. I have some stick. I have this huge book right here, and so yeah. And whenever I want to make it in disguise, I have a really cool plan when I want to hide it from others. So what I do is I just put this right here and then this right here, and then I get the top lid of this carton box, which is this. So this is how I make my pencil box in disguise. Now will you even imagine a whole pencil kit? I mean, that is my pens, my whitener, my color highlighters, which are erasable, and then my sticky notes, a huge book, my scissors, and my stickers, which I made them. In this thing, well, I've already done an unboxing video of this kit, and this is like 200 rupees and I finished it in 2 days, so I didn't know what to do with this, and so I made this. So yeah guys, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Give a thumbs up, don't forget to share and subscribe and follow my daily updates to get many more crazy stuff like this. And the link to unboxing of this video will be in the description below.